So it's day one right here in Malawi. We're on the mission. Yeah man, giving, caring. Busy Signal, I'm going to tell about the Busy Global Initiative. Harawa Foundation.
As the days go by,
tafika kale ku Nkomachi kumene adachile ndi achinyamata komanso kuona kuti mavuto ena ndena ndi chani komanso kumene adapereke ma donations amene abweresa monga ngati foundation yonse.
grades get me high so I can meditate. Oh, dreams of brighter days.
This is 76 day, but they sit on the floor.
Dreams of brighter days.
So this is our body.
Giving thanks as the days goes by, giving thanks and praise.
As I puff on my window and glance through my window, I realize there's no turning back. Oh, got to complete life's journey, though things get contrary. Oh, got to make it to the top. See, I'm searching for a way to survive. Working so hard, I know job will provide. Oh, see, oh, I'm keeping my head high. Mama tell me the limit is the sky.
Dreams of brighter days. Highest grades we blaze. Sing with me like this. Dreams of brighter days. As the days goes by, giving thanks and praise. Big burden heavy, but still a tread on. Weary, but no watch the screw face where we have on. Real soldiers keep standing. Now give up.
Day one, this has been so beautiful. A lot of lives were touched. I can see the future of tomorrow. Education, things, everything was preached. Day one was just powerful. We are looking forward to tomorrow.
What's the importance of like investing in these young people?
Giving them hope, but also showing them love, showing them kuti kulijembekezi kuti akotoza khaso anthu kufunikira mdziko just because of us ifeso ndi chitsanzo chabwino foti komendo chokera ndi masipenga lomwe makonda kwamba.
Giving thanks as the days goes by, giving thanks and praise.